Training kids for tomorrow. Have you ever wondered how tiny birds can make such big, beautiful sounds?
It's because they have a unique respiratory system that gives them lots of power to sing.
They use special air sacs that surround their lungs that act like bellows that direct the airflow in a one-way direction from back to front and play no role in gas exchange.
These air sacs give birds constant supply of air so they can hold long, powerful notes and breathe more efficiently when flying.
Unlike humans, birds don't use vocal cords to sing. Instead, they have a syrinx, which lets them control their sound very precisely and sing loud even though they are very small.
Some birds can make two sounds at once using each side of their syrinx. A tiny songbird can be louder than a rooster thanks to its unique respiratory system and sing hundreds of notes without stopping.
But remember, it's the steady airflow from the air sacs that powers the syrinx.
Many animals have unique respiratory systems adapted to where they live and how they survive. A bird has air sacs,
And a fish has gills.